Hello, my name is Robert K. Collier, and this is a message to the Mississippi Supreme Court Clerk. Again, my name is Robert K. Collier, and my Social Security number is 426-317524. I have Erb's palsy. It's an upper right extremity impairment, and I need corrective surgery on my shoulder, arm, and elbow, but I'm having to wait due to an ongoing Social Security judicial court review of my disability benefits, which I was planning to use only to further my education. The judicial court review went through the Fifth Circuit Federal Appeals Court and the Mississippi Supreme Court. The court review produced a favorable money judgment, ruling, and order, which still have not been complied with and payment made. The money judgment was affirmed and entered by the Fifth Circuit Court of Federal Appeals. Afterwards, the Mississippi Supreme Court authorized and approved the money judgment and entered it on a mandate. I have been having difficulty with the Mississippi Supreme Court order and mandate. I have never received my money. I have tried to pursue the order and mandate, but the defendants, United States Justice Department, and the District Attorney's Office have been very discreet, providing me with little information regarding the issues on the order and mandate. The Mississippi Supreme Court case number is 2003-CP-00041, and the state trial court case number and docket is number 99-0098 CVL, and it is on the Grenada County Circuit Court docket. The Mississippi Supreme Court order cites United States v. Testan citation, which declares the case is for reclassification and back pay. The order also states, quoting United States v. Sherwood citation, which declares a breach of contract with approving and authorizing the state trial court money judgment creditor for money damages under the Tucker Act. The order also cites Lehman versus Nexian citation, which declares discrimination and states no jury trial is available when the United States waives immunity. The Mississippi Supreme Court order was filed under discovery on 7/29/05 back in federal court, where the Social Security Administration had given civil action instructions, where the Social Security Administration had produced a waiver to federal court commanding a civil action complaint. The mandate clearly enters the state trial court judgment, which is a money judgment, and the mandate also states you are commanded that execution and further proceedings as may be appropriate forthwith be had with this judgment in the Constitution and the laws of the state of Mississippi. The mandate also declares that there is a copy of the original judgment on file in the office of the Clerk of the Mississippi Supreme Court. The defendants still have not complied with the order, and I do not know if there ever has been an execution of the mandate. The issues on the order must be complied with due to financial obligations by the defendants, as the order, judgment, and mandate declare. Could you please contact the Grenada County Circuit Court Clerk and inform her of the problem? I have attached a simple legal memorandum to the DVD case, which briefly explains the situation and why there's a state trial court judgment, and why I had to go to state trial court, then back to federal court, and why there is a Mississippi State Supreme Court mandate. The legal memo briefs the issues and the citations that are included on the ruling from the Federal Appeals Court, which affirms the state trial court judgment. The state trial court judgment is affirmed by the Federal Court of of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit, and the appeal judges were Judge Barksdale, Judge Higginbotham, and Judge Stewart. The Supreme Court justices were Justice McRae, Justice Easley, and Justice McRae, Justice Graves, and Justice Easley. Again, this issue is very important to me, ma'am, and I must have relief because I need surgery on my palsy. I'm a paralegal. I'm a very good paralegal, and I graduated from the University of Memphis, and I covered everything in a final academic research paper, and I need to return to school to retrieve my master's degree. I need to have surgery, and it has cost me a lot of time and money, but nothing seems to be working, and I was wondering if the problem is with the mandate, if the courts have never mandated, because the General Counsel for Social Security, they are being very difficult, and the United States Attorney's Office will not release any information to me, nor provide me a payment, and I need someone's assistance, and so I'm having to go back to the Circuit Court docket, and I was wondering if you could help me. Thank you very much, and if you could contact the Grenada Circuit Court clerk, and I will stop by and see if she has any if help can be provided there. Again, I'm sorry that I'm having to bother you. I have contacted the courts several times, including the judges and the justices, and please forgive me and accept my apology if I'm overstepping my bounds. I don't want to be bothersome. I don't want to cause any trouble, but I've got to have my money, ma'am. I've got to have payment. This has taken a lot of time and a lot of effort, and I have other people who need their money. Thank you very much. Have a good day.